Welcome to this video about the Aruban Florin, or AWG. We will explore the currency's history, design, and significance as a reflection of Aruba's identity. The AWG is pegged to the US dollar, ensuring a fixed and stable exchange rate. The official bank rate is 1 United States dollar to 1 Aruban Florin and 79 cents, while the street rate is 1 United States dollar to 1 Aruban Florin and 75 cents. US dollars are widely accepted across Aruba. Before 1986, Aruba used the Netherlands Antillean guilder. With the status aparte in 1986, Aruba became autonomous within the Kingdom of the Netherlands, necessitating its own central bank and currency, the florin. Aruba's coinage includes 5, 10, 25, and 50 cents, plus 1 and 5 florins. The 5 florin was upgraded from a square banknote to a heavy, round, gold-colored coin to combat counterfeiting. All other coins are nickel-bonded steel. The yotin, or square 50-cent coin, is the only square-shaped coin still in circulation. Its distinct shape makes it instantly recognizable by touch, which is convenient for locals. Aruba remains connected to the Kingdom of the Netherlands. High-value coins display the Dutch head of state, Queen Beatrix from 1986 to 2013, and King Willem-Alexander from 2014 to the present. The edge inscription reads, "God zij met ons," God be with us. Aruban banknotes have evolved significantly. The 1990 series, designed by Evelino Fingal, focused on ancient art and animals with basic security. The 2019 series features life in Aruba with award-winning high-tech counterfeit layers. The 1990 series blended pre-Columbian Arawak art with native ecology. It demonstrated that currency could be a canvas for native ecology, rather than featuring traditional political figures. The 2019 Life in Aruba series captures modern Aruban flora, fauna, and cultural heritage. For example, the 50 florin note features the resilient red land crab on the front and the historic Willem III Tower on the back. The 2019 Banknote of the Year, the 100 florin note, is an award winner. It features the Aruban green iguana, the cultural element Baile de Cinta dancers, and high-tech security like 3D micro-optics and color-changing ink. The 5 colors of the 2019 series celebrate Aruban culture. Each denomination features unique fauna and colors, such as the blue-green sea turtle on the 10 Aruban florins and the red-purple redland crab on the 50 Aruban florins. The Aruban florin is more than just money. It's a balanced equation of Aruba's identity, connecting indigenous Arawak roots, unique ecology, and global ties through the Dutch crown and the USD peg.